What's up, y'all? It's your boy Zay, and I'm back with another one. Now, this one is going to be kind of interesting. I've been making content all day trying to get this movement going. I found something interesting that some of you guys were talking about. Mulatto Mindset said something about us and our being more genetically, so I'm going to touch up on that, y'all. Stay tuned. So what does happen is genetic variation. When someone has ancestry from two or more different populations, they may inherit a wider mix of traits like hair, texture, skin tone, immune system differences, heights, or facial features. There's also something called heterosis hybrid vigor, which sometimes happen in plants and animals. Basically, more genetic diversity can reduce the chance of certain hereditary diseases. In humans, the effect isn't as extreme, but sometimes mixed ancestry can lower the risk of recessive disorders. Now, prime example, you guys, my father has lupus, and I don't. Both my parents have diabetes, and I don't. Or they, had it in their blood. They were prone to catching it, but I don't have that going on. Anyway, let's get into it. So, recessive diseases. Some illnesses only appear if a person inherits the same faulty gene from both parents, like sickle cell, cystic fibrosis, etc. I can't read all of that. If your parents come from very different populations, it's less likely they carry the same recessive mutation, so the child may have a lower chance of developing that condition. Immune system diversity. Our immune systems are partly controlled by genes called HLA genes. The more variation you have in those, the better your body can recognize and fight off different viruses and bacteria. People of mixed ancestry often have more HLA diversity, not immune to disease. Being mixed doesn't mean someone is automatically healthier or can't get sick. Lifestyle, environment, and luck matters just as much as DNA. Basically, having ancestry from different groups can sometimes lower the odds of certain hereditary diseases and strengthen immune defenses, but it doesn't make someone invincible. So to all my yellow guys out there, we have a gift. We have an ability. This is something powerful. And but don't act like you invincible, like you Superman or something, like these dark-skinned niggas. So remember, we're all still human at the end of the day. Y'all stay tuned for the next one.